I was sent this 3-pack of these little Hummingbird. They can be homes or they can be feeders. And so I love to do stuff with hummingbirds because we have some that come right in front of our garden window, and they feed on our salvia. And so this particular design, it has like a jute rope so you can hang it from things. The design is such that water flows off of it. The top does come off, so it can either be a home or you can put some, bird seed in there. There's a drain hole at the bottom, so the water will come out. But super cute. Let's get them all set up and we'll get them out in the garden. So it's really easy to just simply tie it up on your piece. So I'm going to put it on my little ginkgo tree. And as you can see, once you tie it up, you can also obviously take off the lid. You can dump out anything that's in there, clean it out. There is a drain hole, so that helps to kind of keep things tidy, but super cute. I also put it on my birch tree, and so easy to apply, provides just a little bit of whimsy for the garden. I love it. Check it out.